Last video was really stupid with 8 exhaust tips on 335, and you guys let me know that in the comment section. So, we have an even dumber idea for you guys. The first step we gotta do, you gotta take this entire DME. We'll be inside of here now. For those who know, you guys know what's happening with this. But this shit, I have no idea. So I got Steph in a coffee, so you better be wired.
I'm not gonna explain it because some of the stuff is top secret. Unplug all the shit out of your DME. Go ahead and rock your 30FF chain. Take out some of these pins and connectors. Run it through your firewall. Big money. Big money.
So we're gonna keep it very brief. Obviously, we're doing another single turbo install. All this shit's coming out. Moving the DME. This bitch is gonna be a monster, hopefully. Look at that. That shit looks so fire. Stefan had all these wires here cut up and then respliced. Now, like we said, we literally got our DME just chilling right here. Here's the true test. Let's go.
She runs.
Let's go.
How to remove your rear inlet.
Boom. There she goes, the last one. Now that we have everything out, what single turbo kit we're going with? The one and only SpeedTech. So huge shout out to SpeedTech. As you guys know, on my black 335, we have a SpeedTech top mount kit. It's the only kit in the market to get. Like, it's literally the cheapest and best made kit. So if you're looking to single turbo your BMW, you can head over to speedtech.com to pick one up for yourself. Or if you want to support me, you can get them on shopwebbies.com, along with a bunch of other shit that's going on in this car today. It comes with a manifold, it comes with all new gaskets. It even comes with picture instructions. You don't find that anywhere else. I'm telling you right now.
Man,
Tell you what. Oh, I died. It is finally here, and we took Stefan's old fender exit, and we got some crazy downpipe hood dump looking thing. This has got to be the craziest looking hood dump in the world right there. So we don't have the intercooler hooked up because we ordered the wrong boot size. We're gonna prime the turbo and then start the car. I'm a little bit nervous. This has been like 2 weeks in the making.
All right. Forgot to tell you that one, brother.
Oh, off to a great start.
Good enough.
We're ready?
Send her.
What?
She's misfiring. It's like half tractor, half truck, half BMW.
Yes. Alright, so I hit Lowe's and we got Carson tighten up our intercooler right there. And then we got this old hood off a E90 that we're gonna cut a massive hole in there. We got Mason doing some carpentry over here. And then get this thing down the road. We got CD sending over the tune right now. We got the hood nice and cut up and it closes. So Mason and Carson haven't heard it start up yet, so we're gonna give it a little start up, then we're gonna drive it. Oil again? Yeah. We got an oil feed line that keeps leaking and shit, so I try to tighten it up, but I stripped the bolt out a little bit, so, you know, don't have me work on your car. All right, after a few tractor supply runs, now let's see if it's gonna leak this time. That's literally our only issue is it's leaking. Nuts. All right, here we go.
I was gonna seriously
The first drive ever. What? Jesus. What?
I don't know if I can open this up.
You can, I think you'll be alright.
Dude, this sounds wild. Oh my god, it smokes like a fucking diesel. It is so loud.
Dude, this thing looks insane. Just sticking out the hood, I gotta look at this all the time.
What's that?
I just don't know how to drive manual.
We don't need one.
See that flame?
There's a flame!
What did we just do?
This bitch is so loud in this. Yeah, dude, this thing ignorant as We're out. Holy shit, look it out.
I should have learned how to drive manual before I did this. Dude, this car is insane.
Dude, there's
Dude, when it gets in the boost. Dude.
okay. She was there.
Oh my god. As soon as it hit,
Dude, she was
as soon as it
there.
hits $4,000, this thing wants to take you to jail.
This is the loudest thing ever.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, I thought.
No! Main road, boys.
Oh, dude, you better outrun his ass. Outrun
Oh, we got something wrong. Check engine light.
Dude, why did
It looks like there's oil on the tire.
Yeah.
You're leaking something.
Just go. You gotta, man, this ambulance.
Take this whole.
Do we try to make it? What do we do? What do we do?
I would just run.
Wait, are we leaking oil?
Just ride the shoulder.
No,
for a
I don't,
second.
man, I don't
No,
know.
it's dripping something. That right tire had. I can see the track.
Yeah, I can too, but.
Well, we just lost something because I almost just crashed this bitch.
Yeah.
Real shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The oil in the tire.
Do we try to make it back to the shop or close?
I'm clearing the out of what it, I'm not gonna tell you what it is.
No, just tell me. Just tell me. Water pump?
Crankshaft inlet. Camshaft.
This car's about to die. It's about to die.
It's got oil though. We're not. You're leaking oil.
Yeah, it's leaking. I mean,
But man, it's up to
We
you.
gotta make it. We
I know.
gotta
Just go.
make it.
Just go. Wait, there's a cop right there. Oh my god.
oh my god.
Wait, do we get back to the shop or?
Yeah, man.
You can't turn this bitch off. It's probably not gonna start.
It's not gonna start back up. So.
Man, it still doesn't sound bad, but it's losing.
How much oil?
Oh my god. No.
Oh my god.
What?
It's
What?
about to blow up.
It's about to blow up.
This bitch is done for.
Cut it.
This bitch is done for, dog.
Oh, it just cut off.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Hey, first drive went.
What just happened? Man, that was so much fun until it wasn't. And then we just blew the motor instantly. What happened? I'm glad we made it here though.
I'm sorry that was quiet, but this is funny as shit. Like,
Dude, look how much oil is on the side of this.
this is such no little.
Look at this.
This is some fucking luck. Dude, right in front of an ambulance.
We had a hell of a ride though, I tell you what.
They were coming for us in a second.
We almost crashed. I'm so serious we almost crashed. Hey, we got one hell of a pull out that bitch though.
Dude, that bitch was raw.
Oh my god.
It blew the ignition coils out of it, everything.
It blew up. We took that bitch to 7 grand. We took it to 7 grand in front of an ambulance and we had a hell of a time.
There's cops behind it and all. And we almost died. Oil all over the rear tire.
It blew up. Well,
that bitch is hotter than a mother.
that's about half a coil bag for you. Right there. Go to shopwebbies.com to help me fix this.
How far is the shot? We might be able to push it.
It's right there. It's close.
We gotta push it. I mean, we really don't have another choice.
Go take a vape break.
Good.
I'm done. Go get the Ultima.
Dude, this is the greatest video I've ever filmed in my life. I don't care what no one says. I don't care if this thing gets 3 views. This is the best one I've ever filmed. There's a couple things you can't do in this world, and one of them is you can't win them all.